I recently got monetized, and when you get monetized, you will need to get to a threshold of $10 for you to be able to verify your address, your identity. You get so since I got monetized, it's over a week now, and I've crossed the $10 threshold. So YouTube notified me to verify my identity, so which I did. But so before I even got monetized, I have been seeing videos of people saying that you cannot verify your address at once, verify your identity at once. You don't need to wait for any pin. And I told myself that that is the process, that is the method I'm going to use anytime I get monetized. And finally, I got monetized, and that is the process I used. My identity was verified immediately. So I'm going to show you the process instead of you to start waiting for a pin. Sometimes this pin takes how many months to come. Yes. So people will even go, they will look for it, they will not see it. So it's better you just do it once. This online verification process, just do it once, and then they will just verify your address. So I'm going to show you the process of how I was able to do my. So guys, let's get right into the tutorial.
So I'm going to click on my YouTube studio and check for my balance. I'll click on N, this last one here, N. So as you can see, I'm already having $12 here, and it's already showing verify your identity. But I'm not going to verify it from here. I'll just go to my Google Adsense to do it there. So let's go. So I'll click on my Chrome browser, and I'm going to type Google Adsense here. It's already showing Google Adsense. Google Adsense. Then click on search. Make sure you're using the right account because you might have different Gmail account on your phone, so you have to click on the right one. So you click on the right Gmail that is related to your AdSense. So you search for the Google AdSense, click on it, and then you look for sign in. Look at sign in here, click on sign in. So it will bring it to your dashboard. And then you click on these three lines here, these three lines, click on it. Then click on payments. After clicking on payments, you click on verification check, click on it. So it says verify your identity, confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive payment. Identity verification needs attention. To continue earning and to receive payment, verify your identity by 21st May 2026. So this is all the process. To verify your account, you can choose a fast online verification process with our trusted partner. This online process involves verifying your government issued ID and completing a face mask, which takes around 10 minutes. Or you use the old method, which is you use your ID and mail PIN method that requires a physical PIN to be sent to you by mail. So we are not using that old method. We are going to use the newest method, whereby your account will be verified like very very fast. So that's what we are using. We are not waiting, we are not going to wait for any pin. So I'm going to click on verify now. As you can see, click on it. So you have to go through this by test. So I'm going to continue this. I'll click on verify identity with personnel, click on it. You can see getting started, we need some information to help us confirm your identity. So you click on begin verifying, click on it. So what country is your government ID from? So you have to choose the country. It's already showing Nigeria here. So I'll continue Nigeria, then I'll click on select. Upload a photo ID. We require a photo of a government ID to verify your identity. So I have to choose the particular ID card I'm using. Is it my driver license? Is it national ID? Is it passport? Is it voter's ID? So I'm going with passport. I'll click on passport. It says take a clear photo of your entire passport portrait. So I'm going to take a photo of it right away, of my front page. I'll click on this camera sign here, this one. You have to allow the photo to be very clear. Need permission. So this one is very okay. So I'll click on use this photo. Click on it. Please wait as we process your upload. Okay, guys, follow this process. So you are going to find it very easy when you are doing yours. So you say just the basics, nothing fancy, just a few things to verify your identity. First name, last name, it's correct. You have to go through it to see if there's any mistake. Birth dates, you have to go through it to see if there's any mistake. Go through it. It says address, so I'll just put in my address here. So now that my address is complete, so I'll just swipe down. Every other details here, they are all correct. You click on continue. When you see that everything is correct, click on continue. And then say, let's make sure you are you. Position yourself in the center of the camera and then move your face left and right to show both sides. So what I'm going to do now is, they want to check my face if I am the one. So I have to click on get started. Hey, this process remains the best for me. So this is it. So I'm looking at my, when you look at your right, verifying. All you need to do is to look at your left and your right. Just follow the arrow. And we are waiting for them to verify that I am the one. Congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. Guys, did you see that? So click on done. We are done. Let's go and check. Completed. You can see identity verification completed. This is not like the time we'll be waiting. We'll be waiting for pin. So that people will wait 3 months, they will not see pin. Look at, very fast, easy to learn. I see. There's no way you will watch this video and you will not learn how to verify your identity. It's very, very easy. Please use this method though, and don't wait for any pin. So guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to share this video, like, and drop a comment. See you guys in my next one. Bye.